trying to take this apart. You guys, I don't really want to take it apart. Good old kickstand. Good old pile of games tactic. Let's see. So, the progress that I've made, I'm just chipping things off. And I found out that instead of just trying to pry this off, I can shove this in here and I don't get it. It's a terrible idea, but I wish I was the music on. This is the fan. Well, I have to put the music of this. Kind of stuck right now. I'm gonna try and screw it. There we go. Better camera angle. You see that? Yeah, let's get camera angle. Get around. Hey, you can see the thing inside. Focus on this. Kind of wobbly. This doesn't move necessarily. I think I'm gonna lose it or something. If I can get the pry under here, so the thing from that toy that I just rested on my back of the thing. I can see my stomach for once. There's that. My little bongo. Yeah, it's in release. Still working on it. Tam season 2 is also pretty good in production. First episode was like 20 minutes, but like about 3. And also, I just kind of liked animating Tam's season 2 better than 1. The first episode was kind of lame. I was getting into the things. If you don't know what Tams is, it's the awesome, mysterious mystery series. That's what I call it, but I'm probably gonna have to make a better name for it. Actually, I have made a name for it, but for now it's kind of called Tams. I have made a name for the thing. It's, yeah, I'm not gonna put too much detail. But I'm actually gonna work a little bit more on Tams season 2. Don't mind classifying it into seasons for now. Like, I don't know. But I'll start working on that once I get like some good progress on this. Then, yeah. I'm recording. I don't know if I'm just kind of stopped recording because I'm out of space, and that sucks. I don't like it because I had like a whole entire video. It was like a cool video, really awesome video. I'm just kind of like, now there's no more video. I'm a weird kid. I feel like it's not meant to be like this. You know? It adds like some type of personality to me. Also, I already released Bongo, all like the OST and like a little bonus thing. That takes place at the end of the game. I haven't completed the first thing yet. I didn't get that much progress on it. Instead, I just kind of made a cool knife that had electricity in it. They shocked people. Actually, let me show you something else. I made this contraption. Pretty big, pretty nice, don't you think? Okay, so let's say, it's like, you know buckshot roulette? It's like that. So this is like, makes it random. I don't know if it's a shell or a real round, and this counts how many, blanks that are fired, and then it'll count yeah, it'll only make it fire reels, and it's not really that good, but I'll show you. So, get better angle. One blank, two blank. It's not really too good. Oh wait, I forgot. That thing needs to. It's supposed to fire, but it doesn't. You know, no firing. No, it's not really that good, but we can see that. Honestly, you guys are like my therapists. Okay, like Rex, Nathan, some other branded people. Thank you for watching. The only people that watch my things or have watched them. Well, friends told me about it and just said, yeah. But I'm pretty sure they didn't mean yeah. I'm pretty sure they just meant it kind of sucks. They're friends. They do that. Every single friend does that. You probably experience it, right? It's actually kind of lonely up here sometimes. I don't mind that. Just please the seat. Okay, I'm gonna pull you. I don't like you're bending. Stop bending. I'm gonna pull you up. I'm just doing this because I'm doing this. I just found it over there for some random reason. I don't know why it's there now. But yeah. I was like, why don't I just pull that? And we get to talk about my life. Things are going good. I have an A in math just because we have a new teacher because I was get fired. Actually, I know where I go though. Because I don't want to be stalking me. Plus, we just can't do that. Anyways, this school sucks. I mean, all school sucks. But like, yeah, no, it's kind of okay being inside like middle school. Honestly, I think to myself like I'm like the bigger person than everybody else, the one that thinks. Really, I'm just kind of an insane person. How the hell do they even assemble these things? They just glue them down, built inside of a factory. How many smoke alarms, for God's sakes, are produced in a day? Probably like 20 million or so, something. I don't know. I don't even know the point of this. Who knows? Also, explosion. You should always take the battery out first. Don't get shocked or something. I don't know. Just kind of sure. That was it. Yeah, it's good. Fine. It tastes like metal. Because it is metal. Probably broke something, right? Right? Oh, just kind of. Dang it. And there's like a few holes now. And there's not like there's already like a million holes. Just kind of live up here now. Sometimes go down and eat some food. That topic. It's not that matters. Also, Amazon donkey. That's from like 2 days ago. And this. Supposedly to be a fox, but they accidentally drew it as a cat. And I'm just on there. Is this normal to just feel like you have an empty stomach every single time you pee? That actually makes a lot of freaking sense. I was so tempted to go right there, but no. Gotta keep my, kind of ish for children, I guess. Not really, but, kind of, yeah. I mean, you could probably see that from my, uploads. Where I was a nameless figure with no brain, and I was addicted to cracking. I don't know. Anyways. Back in. Right. Next segment is or something. I'll eat, and then I'll get back to this. Actually, I'll just record it. Wait. You know what? You know what? We're not the kids. Fuck it. Freak the children. Oh, if you're asking, I said bucket. So I accidentally thought of the most funniest thing at that time, one of the funniest things out of school, instead of a line, and if anybody laughed, talked, or did anything, we would lose 5 points towards, like, thingy and cool stuff. Like, we could buy a blanket, like I did. It's like at my mom's house. I think everybody's asleep. Or my dad is asleep. Because, his girlfriend, which their actual name is Precious, is, like, gone somewhere. I forgot where the heck it was. But they left. It's a family, like a family trip and stuff. I mean, life's busy sometimes. When it isn't, boy, it isn't. But once you get, like, all quiet, you can't be, like, loud. Like, where's your whispering? Like, you're just kind of whispering. You can't stop it. Too scared to, like, do anything else. Like, sometimes the most random thoughts ever. I'm just kind of speaking from the brain right now. Just like that's gotten some progress here. I've kind of like moved this a bit and got this all wiggly, scraped along the edges, torn this off, torn the little pieces off, all that crap. Like, just kind of battered, beaten into a bunch of holes in the back. I actually didn't make the holes. They were just there. I don't know why. You know about the anatomy of smoke detectors? Tell me. Also, just button. I like buttons. I don't think I can salvage that. Oh, damn, I can't. I said fam. Man, I hate this. Sometimes I hate life. It's kind of stupid. I mean, like, if you kill yourself, you are weak. You are a coward. You can, like, do, like, a big thing and say, like, oh, I'm too sad, blah, blah, blah. If you're that sad, then why don't you just go, like, you talk to somebody or something? You know, don't kill yourself. You gotta wait it out, brother. Or you gotta learn to live with it. Don't be depressed. It's stupid. And sometimes I'm just like, oh, this sucks. Oh, life sucks. Yeah, sometimes it does, but, like, don't kill yourself. It's idiotic. Stupid. Honestly. If you kill yourself, you're brain dead. You're dumber than the animals that get started on, like, animal people now. So, like, I have a huge, like, I have a huge beef with, like, furries and stuff. Like, why? Why would you, like, just evolution just went in reverse. Now we're trying to be animals again. Excuse me. What? Why? What's the point? It's kind of dumb how stupid some people are. I mean, you could probably see, is it Massacre, like 2.1 or something? It's a long time ago. I made like a little Madness Combat. I was like really into Madness Combat at the time. I made like a thing, they all die, blah blah blah. It's like related to the topic. I completely forget about junk. I'll just take this whole entire thing off. Oh, ooh, actually, it's like a perfect little price piece right there. Still recording. You're still recording. Great. You're such a shit. Good friend. Sometimes I just think, like, idiotically. Like, you know, what I was just talking about. Oh, that's a motherboard. Taking me to a yard leader. That didn't really hurt that much. It just kind of a poke. Alright. This thing is utterly destroyed. How? No, it wasn't a nail. It just kind of poked me. Why did poke hurt so much? I don't know. It was because it was a motherboard, and mother hurts way more. And mom doesn't. She just kind of gives me empty threats. And those empty threats are basically just nothing. Like, I'll take your computer off the window. Yeah. I'll do this. Yeah. Just, no. Do something already. Come on. Ooh, you look at that. So little that I learned about motherboard and junk through PLTW. This is the thing that does the thing and thing. I know that one of these things is like, yeah, you're the smoke detector. Isn't it like humidity? Oh man, smoke. Stick it out, hey bro. Just kind of in there. All these little lines and junk. That's not for like just design. That's actually like working junk, and funky dunk. And this right there, and it's really sharp. That could slice my hand open. Not that sharp actually. It's just kind of, you know, a little pokey. Well, these are really sharp. Kind of like little spikes. These are little staples. That's because they are. Honestly, I don't really care about this bed. It's like sweet teeth. I don't know how in the good ungodly heck I'm supposed to get this out now. It's off now. Honestly. I'm just gonna make all these stupid life decisions. But hey, I live this life out until I go on to the next. Or go to heaven. But I like to go on to a new life and have a new experience. It might be the same. I think my past life has some type of I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. I'll be free of this life, so we'll carry on. I wish this Steam Deck was able to actually see it. I'm using my phone to record. I wish I had a GoPro, something. Just going like, hi guys, welcome back to my Minecraft Let's Play. I'm going to the camera on it. Yeah, I am. Sorry. Oh no. Tastes like old wood. I don't know why, but it's really salty. Wait, no, just scratch like a wait. Fucking scratch like a cat. Never mind that I said that. I have a deep look into my mind. My stupid, idiotic mind. You're asking, am I a victim or something? No, I'm not. Certainly not. Why would I just don't get killed? I'm not a victim of this. I don't have any mental disorders or anything, so far that I'm aware of. It's just my own mind and adapting to things. So, you died inside of the MGBG? The manga banga. But like, it's kind of just like deep look into my mind as I slowly explain what happens after Mongo Bongo dies. Honestly, it actually kind of relates to me. So I see what I mean if you're a long time viewer, okay? Some random guy or something. That one person who viewed my short, and those 30-something other people who viewed that kitty birthday short. It was like a way back when St. Patrick's Day. It's a while ago, if I say so. Man, I can't wait until school ends. Dude, the whole entire summer to myself. I'm gonna be 13. I'm counting as a teenager, not a tiny dinky kid. You know, I'm just kind of being a pre-teen, and it sucks. Actually, it's probably gonna be even. Actually, you know what happened? My old uploads. It's probably gonna happen again. This time, tenfold. This is ridiculous. Probably not gonna happen again. If you know, you know. I got some real demons. My mouth could be like, demon side just showing or something. Like, that's kind of cringy. I mean, unless it's just like actually visual, or it's just like something. I don't know. Not cool. JoJo fan. And, like, once I actually get to see the scale of like the JoJo viewers, I don't feel that, you know, alone. I just kind of feel like it's kind of overcrowded. Yeah. But like one time my grandmother with a whole entire different last name showed me like where like the popularity of my last name is. Like, there's only like a few people with that last name that I know. But like I know more of my mom's side of the family than my dad's. And then put on my dad's family. To the family. Yeah, honestly, I'm just kind of ruining the family. In like 2,000 years, to be like, oh, that's great grandpa Skylar Catanzarite. He died prematurely. He was addicted to cocaine or something. Wasn't like the one like like Bob or something. Like Zorbies and like Hercules Hook. What was that guy? He like died to like died peacefully in his sleep due to a cocaine overdose. If anybody see that, like saw the Doug video, yeah. Recording. What do you want? Yeah. Take me on. Oh, I'm tired. Jesus Christ, man. Just kind of talking. Talk. If you know that one, you know that one. You are a true fan of me. Okay, who am he? Also, it's going to actually that's like kind of like a remnant of the what days. Oh, it's like a leftover pin. With torn out with a socket. Oh, show you anything. Oh yeah, I can. Break the insides. Break the insides. Yep. remember when I was a tiny little kid, and like, did anybody know like the stupid Elsa Gate things? Yeah, like Enchanted Mob, like the Minecraft anime. You know that's actually made by Mob Entertainment. Something like that. Like the guys who made Poppy Playtime. You know, like Mob Entertainment. Oh my god. You know, like Enchanted Mob or something. I don't know. But like, just kind of heard of it. Due to Super Eye Patch Wolf video. He's really depressing. But like, don't be depressed. It really makes you think of the bad things. And then you just gotta think of the good things, like, at least there's like 20 billion humans inside of the world. Something. Really like super mega depressed or something. Maybe say like, oh, maybe say like, ooh, like when I was depressed or something. Connected? Connected. How is this thing staying on? It's a pin. Yeah, they're socketed into the thing. Aw. Dang it. So if you're thinking, what I'm coming out as, the same guy. Basically just the same guy. Same guys as I am now. Interested in guys. But I am interested in girls. I mean, guys, they just kind of make me feel, you know, weird. I don't like to be around them. Like, you know, other guys are kind of just a little bit too touchy. Like, you know, rough. Like guys. Women are just like drama queens. I'm not like really any of those. Some women are just like, you know, what you think a woman would be. Nice, good looking, cool, like, you know, stereotypical action hero lady friend. But those are fair. And some ladies are just like, I want to do a life living hell. And then some of them are just like, I don't want to do a life living hell. And actually, she could really like you, or something. That has only happened once. My camera looks like 2 eyes, a mouth, and a little tiny dot. Looks like a little face. The recording is a recording. It's gonna take a lot of space. A little metal thing that I use. I think it's getting harder and harder as I slowly take this thing apart. At first, it was kind of easy, I guess, but slowly got on. Yeah. Now I have to do this. That's not a PPG video, I'm just like engineering stuff. This is gonna take a lot of storage. Yeah, it is. Ooh. Ooh. Fuck, that's. I said fuck. Don't ask. It's not cool. It's stupid and funny. And that's the point. That's what my mother told me. Cussing like kids cussing is not cool. It's really funny and should be loved. That's the point. I give a fuck. That's the best I can do. Goodbye, friends.